The Mobile World Congress in Barcelona may be cancelled, but that didn't stop Huawei from showing off their brand new products. Starting off with PC notebooks, the new MateBooks have all been upgraded to Intel 10th generation core processors. The top-of-the-line MateBook X Pro features a beautiful unibody alloy construction and a full-view display, giving it an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 91%. The 3000 by 2000 pixel display is also full touch. Intel Core i5 and Core i7 configurations are available. No joke, it's seriously beautiful. Joining the lineup are upgraded Mate D series notebooks, available in 14 and 15-inch models. They're aimed at a more price-conscious market, but they're still slim, light, and they have a 1920 by 1080 pixel display with an 87% screen-to-body ratio. The D series will offer both Intel Core series and AMD Ryzen mobile processors with integrated Vega graphics. The D series also gets the recessed webcam as well as the power/fingerprint button, giving it a lot more privacy and security than before. Huawei's multi-screen collaboration feature allows you to connect your Huawei smartphone to your PC for instant content sharing. It's available across the entire MateBook line. Moving on to tablets, the new HUAWEI MatePad Pro 5G features a 10.8-inch HD display with support for cinema-grade DCI P3 color gamut. It also features ultra-thin bezels, giving it the highest body-to-screen ratio of any tablet out there. It's the best-looking tablet that I've ever seen. On board is Huawei's Kirin 990 5G chipset. This means you get 5G connectivity, high performance, and power efficiency in a very slim package. The MatePad Pro also supports multi-screen collaboration. Like on the MateBooks, once your phone is connected, you can operate your phone using the tablet's display, and you can even drag and drop files between the two devices. The MatePad Pro 5G supports a feature called multi-window, which allows you to display up to 3 apps simultaneously. And it also has a feature called App Multiplier, which splits one app into 2 windows, giving you a dual view that maximizes the landscape orientation of the tablet. Because 2020 has sort of become the year of foldables, we've left the best Huawei device announcement for last. The Huawei Mate XS features a number of improvements over the original Mate X. Among those are a more durable display that also features better brightness, saturation, and clarity. The Falcon Wing hinge also receives upgrades, with components using more durable and stiffer zirconium-based liquid metal parts. The upgrade is actually quite noticeable. In fact, it has more of a spring to it, and you can really feel it when you close the display. Huawei's top-end Kirin 990 5G chipset is also embedded in the Huawei Mate XS, delivering 5G network support, a snappy user experience, and more power efficiency. Running EMU 10, the Mate XS supports features like App Multiplier and Dual View in tablet mode, just like the MatePad Pro. Of course, a smartphone wouldn't be a smartphone without a great camera on board, which is why the Mate XS also features a Leica Super Sensing quad camera with a 40 megapixel main camera, a 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera, an 8 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 3D depth sensing camera. Hardware gets most of the focus, of course, but I think that the new app gallery also requires some attention as well. Launching in beta mode in Canada, the new app gallery is currently available to all Huawei phones and apps developed for HMS Core. HMS Core, aka Huawei Mobile Services, is basically a replacement for Google Mobile Services, allowing developers to access the full hardware capabilities of Huawei devices, including new services in the cloud like AI, location, and in-app purchases as well. Huawei is making it really easy for app developers to port their apps over from Google and iOS stores. And with 400 million users on the app gallery right now, it's pretty clear why you would want to do that. And Huawei has pledged their support to bring you over as seamlessly as possible. With stringent curation towards apps that follow strict security protocols, including GDPR compliance, the company is happy to grow slowly and carefully, seeking security over quantity. The app gallery is also global. That's G with a local. Not only are the app curations specific to a region, but the servers that house the data are also housed within those regions as well. In addition to your traditional download and install apps, the company has also created something called Quick Apps. Leveraging HMS Core, these apps are quick and run using minimal resources. So when will Android users outside of the Huawei ecosystem be able to use this new app gallery? Well, that's probably a question that they've already asked themselves, and we're curious to find out for ourselves as well, so stay tuned for any announcements. Huawei has also let us know that the new P40 series will be launching on March 26th. So if you're a fan of the P20 and P30 series, let's see what the P40 has, and we'll keep you up to date as soon as this story unfolds. What do you think of Huawei's latest product announcements? Which one are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comments below. We hope to get our hands on them really soon. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification button so that you can find out when there's more tech to talk about. We'll see you in the next video.